Here we have my rocket board, which is just 2 cheap pieces of wood together with eye hooks, and the rockets go through the hooks. I got this idea off the Pyro Universe forums, and those are just Wolfpack 2-ounce rockets that have color reports. We'll see how they work out here. I'm soon to buy some quicker sticky match, but as of now I'm just going to hand light each one of them just to see how it kind of angles the rockets and how the rockets actually shoot up and where they end up going afterwards. Alright?
Light them all real quick. 1, 2, 3. Fuck that.
That won't work. It'll go off in his face, man.
Dude, the coolest one that you ever did, dude, when I was with you, bro. Ain't it?
Brandon, you suck.
Ah, you fucker. Whoa.
That's a shoe.
See the wick? Was that the wick? Yeah. I almost got both of them.
Oh man, I didn't get the crackle all the way. There we go.
Oh shit, get it.
You got it!
I didn't get it, dude. Fucking bitch, dude. Pissed me off. I had it, dude. It was right on it, and it fucking wouldn't go. Yeah, that would suck if one of those took off. And you're sitting there, all those. Run! Watch it like. Whoa!
That would be awesome.
Would you go in on it with me?
I'd help out. Oh, shit, those are loud.
Ow!
Think one's enough?
Think one's enough?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You said last time?
It's not too bad.
That one went quick. Well,